How to install drivers manually on Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is simply do it from the Windows Update. So select the Start menu and select Settings. And from here, you want to select Windows Update. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down and select Advanced Options. Go ahead and scroll down, and under Additional Options, you want to select Optional Updates. And you should find updates. If there are drivers that need to be installed, it would be shown over here. However, I don't have any at the moment, so there is nothing for me to install. Now, another way to install drivers manually is on the Device Manager. And you can install the latest Device Manager from your computer's website. So I have Dell in this case, and what I'm going to do is open up the internet browser and go to the Dell website under Support and select Drivers and Downloads. And what you need to do is simply type in the device name that you have, and it should be on the bottom of your computer device or on the back of it, and search. Go ahead and scroll down. This will give you the exact device of your computer, and it will find any updates in which you may need to install. Go ahead and select Check for Updates. It will find the most important and latest updates, and simply what you want to do is have them all checked and select Download and Install. Once you have completed the installation and download of all the latest drivers, it will say your system is up to date and there are no new updates. And make sure you do click Check for Updates. Now, I did have to restart my computer in order to complete the driver updates for the graphics Iris Xe graphics card. And so now that's good to go. You can also manually install your latest driver using the Device Manager. So to do so, minimize this, right click on the Start menu, and simply select Device Manager. And next to Display Adapters, go ahead and select the arrow and select the graphics card. Right click and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. And what you want to do is browse the location of your drivers and then select Next. It will install the latest graphics drivers for you. Now, I have already installed it, so that's why I got this message. In order for you to check whether you have the latest install version of the graphics driver, all you have to do is close it, right click, and select Properties. From here, you want to select Driver, and it will give you the driver version. So this is the latest driver of the Xe graphics card, 31.0.101.5333. Alright, that concludes my tutorial. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.